Welcome back, Curriculum Mappers. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a strategy that I've just worked out partially today to track outcomes. Part of the issue I was facing with using Google Forms to track outcomes of particular units is that I had no way of really tightly linking the Google form to a specific unit. Before I had a drop-down menu here, and you would choose like your unit name, and then you would proceed to attribute outcomes to that unit, which was fine, but it just wasn't as reliable as I would have liked it to be. And plus, you had to look at a drop-down menu that was, very long, and sometimes it was difficult to find your unit. So the idea came to me could I pre-populate a Google form automatically with the unit name, or the most current unit name anyway, and the document ID that is static, right? That's an unchanging piece of data associated with the Google Doc that has the unit, right? So I dug around, and on Stack Overflow, I found a script that can create essentially pre-filled URLs. So, and for the most part, this is exactly a copy-paste of what it was, but I did have to consult with someone to figure out how to take essentially the data that is here, right? Because this is kind of where the script stopped. And this was the one line of code I needed help figuring out. But essentially what this does is it creates a unique URL for every unit in my Google Drive and auto-populates the first two questions. I know that's a mouthful, but it is pretty amazing. So this way, when I can make a link available to, for example, this photography, and let me open this up a little bit. So backing up just a bit, so this is actually an import of our file cabinet view, right? This is a query import, and it's only selecting the units that belong to the subject area of arts. So this way, it's a limited pool, and this department's working with the same outcomes currently. So that's why I wanted to put them all together. So I'm basically pulling the name of the unit and the document ID, okay? And then I'm going to use the name of the unit and the document ID as the answers to questions 1 and 2 on the form, which is automatically populated. So if I click here, this takes me to that form that has the unit and the document ID automatically populated. Then it's up to the teacher to go through and attribute these outcomes. So this eliminates the need to search for your course in a drop-down menu, and it very tightly links these outcomes to this document, which I can do more detailed analysis later having this information. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you this concept of pre-populating a Google form to very tightly link the Google form outcomes to a specific unit. So thanks for watching. Bye.